Toronto police are asking for help in trying to track down a sniper who murdered a man in Scarborough last October. Police say 37-year-old Clinton Elliot Yow Foo had connections to organized crime and the drug trade. He was shot outside his family's home near Kingston Road in Ellesmere back on October 1st. Struck down as he talked on his phone around midnight while walking in from his car.
This was a shot that was made at a considerable distance. It was made at night in the dark. It was windy, and Clinton was on the move when he was shot. So I believe that this person has some considerable skill or some training.
Police were able to recover this sniper rifle a considerable distance away. They say the Browning BLR has a Bushnell scope. Says it has connections to the Montreal area. Detectives are using the hashtag #CatchTheSniper on social media to get more clues.